Hey guys, hope you're having a good day. Um, so before I get started on this, I just want to say that this video is just general advice only. I'm not qualified finance professional, so yeah, just want to get that out of the way. Um, just having to think. I'm just having to think right now. Just basically thinking that with okay, the title of this video is basically going to be why the stock market won't get you rich, and I'll explain that now. So over the long term here, right? Like we're told that the stock market gives us a 8% return per annum, right? Which seems pretty good. So let's say you have $1,000 here in the market, you're getting $80 a year. $10,000, you're getting $800 a year, and 100,000, $8,000. So that on paper that seems really good, right? But you see, out of this 8%, you've got 3% here, which is inflation. So what that means is that over time, the government is injecting money into the economy, and it's finding its way into these stock prices, and it's inflating them. So if you put $1,000 in and over time it goes up, it looks like it's going up, but it's really just maintaining that $1,000 if you're getting a 3% return a year. So 2 to 3% inflation rate usually. So you take that off and you're left with like 5%, which is what you're really getting. And usually that is like a dividend, or it's dividend reinvested, which is why the market goes up like that. So you're thinking, all right, so I'm actually getting a 5% return. So here we go, $1,000, $50 a year, 100 grand, $5,000 a year. So that seems pretty good, right? But, out of this $5,000, you got to pay tax. And depending on what you're earning a year, that could be, something like this, 35%. In Australia, if you're earning like over 80 grand a year, I think it's like 45 cents to the dollar. It's crazy. So you're just getting like thrashed on this. Like if you're getting $1,000 a year if you got $1,000 a year in the market, you're getting your $50, take away 35% tax, you're really getting $30 for having your $1,000 in the market your whole year. So what are you really getting by having your money in the share market? And you're getting this 3% per annum, 3% above inflation. That's like cash in the hand, 3%, right? It's not much. You would need 100 grand just to make $3,000. You need $1 million to make $30,000 a year. And yeah, like final part I put here is this is not including management fees. So if you're buying into an index fund, or you're seeing like a financial planner or some sort of a finance professional that's managing your investment portfolio, that's going to eat into your 3%. So I mean, what are you getting? 1%, 2% a year? So this is why, like, a lot of people are always talking about investing, but it's going to be really hard to get rich in the short time frame if you're buying shares. So what I'll do is I'll explain in other videos how to actually get rich and get rich quicker. Like I won't go into detail now, but just a clue, like $3,000 a year here, you're going to get double that if you get a $10,000 pay increase at your job. A $10,000 pay increase at your job is going to give you about $6,000 in cash in the hand per year. So just a simple 10 grand a year is the equivalent of having $200,000 a year in share market. Okay, but I'll go over more of this type of stuff in other videos. I just wanted to just give you guys a quick just some information on that. Okay, so yeah, I'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks for watching.